Hello, welcome. Question 39. Given the cos y being negative 1 over 2 and the tan y is greater than 0, we have to find the value of y. This is just a simple one. If you put this value we are having, the cos y equals to negative half, we can find the cos inverse of the y. And if you do that on your calculator, let's see what value we can get. We can use our hand to get that, as we discussed in our previous lessons, but let's see. And that will be giving us y equals to 120. That is if I take the cos inverse, or let me write it for those who will read only for. Y will become the cos inverse of the negative 1 over 2. We have what? 120. If you just stop there, you might be tempted to pick the option what? B as your answer. But there's another condition given unto us. We have been given the tan y must be what? Positive value. Because the cos is a negative value we are having here. The fact that we have it value being this. So we are going to take our reference angle here. You know, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, the third quadrant, and fourth. All silly tan cast. If you remember what we have, it means that all the trig ratios are going to be positive here. Only sine will be positive, only tan will be positive, and only cos will be positive. It means that if I am having a negative value, the cos is going to be negative here, the cos will be negative here, and negative here, meaning in the second quadrant and in the third quadrant, the values of cos as we are having should be this value, these two regions. All right. Then, if we are picking tan to also be more than 0, meaning not negative but positive, it means that we are looking for this region. This will be positive here. What can I use? Let me use this, and positive what? Here. So the condition must favor the two ratios, that the cos should be negative in that quadrant and the tan should be positive. So you can see in this place we don't have a value. This place only cos, that is favor, because the tan is going to be negative there. We need positive, so only here the two will happen here. But in this quadrant, if your reference angle is going to be half of this, let's see, this is 120 as the cos inverse. But if we ignore the negative, and find the cos y of half, we know 0, 1, 30, 45, 60. It means that cos y equals to half as positive value will give you 60 degrees. The 60 degrees is going to be the reference angle that it will be forming in the first quadrant here. So here we have 0 to 90. In this quadrant, we have, let's say, 180 minus what? The angle theta, which is the angle formed, the reference angle formed with the x-axis. Then in this quadrant is going to be 180 plus the theta, which is the reference angle. So here, our reference angle, reference angle is going to be 60 degrees. That is ignoring the negative sign. If you ignore negative, it is negative here, will give you 120. But without negative, it gives you what? 60. So our reference angle is going to be 60. So if the angle is here, it will be 60 from the 180, which is here. So I'll be having 120, meaning the cos angle is 120, as we are seeing. Do we get that? Then in this region, we are having 180 plus the theta, which will be 180 plus the angle of reference, and that will be what? 240 what? Degree. And this angle favors both tan being positive and cos being negative. Remember, I dealing with negative for cos, positive for tan. So cos being negative is happening here. The negative value of cos can be here. It can be here. already we have the first one, which is 120. The second one is going to be what? 240. So where the cos value favored with the tan value, it becomes the answer we are looking for, because these are the conditions we have. Negative for cos, positive for what? Tan. Negative for cos, positive for tan. So our answer in this case is going to be 240. You know, reference angle 60, you have it there. You might pick that as your answer. Then taking the cos inverse on the negative half directly, give you 120. The answer is there. But the actual answer we are looking for, which favors both cos and that of the tan, is 240 degrees. I guess clear? Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 40. We happen to be the last of the objective text.